the numbers in the Venn diagram. Well, odd numbers are quite easy, aren't they, for 1 to 10 there, right? So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So those are my odd numbers. Factors of 12. Okay, well, remember to work out the factors, we could go factor pairs. We start with 1. What's its partner? Well, that'll be 12, yeah? 1 times 12 gives me 12. 2 goes into 12. How many times? Well, 6 times. Okay, so 6 is also a factor. And then 3 also, doesn't it, go into 12 4 times. Okay, so those are all the factor pairs there for 12. And the ones I'm going to be interested in are 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 6, yeah? Now 12, I don't need to worry about, because it's not in my list, isn't it? Okay, you only meant to place the numbers 1 to 10 there. So, if you write 12 down here, just be careful to cross it off. Don't put it in your box, okay? So we're only putting these values in. So let's start off then with these values. Number 1, let's start off with, well, 1 is an odd number, okay, but it's also a factor of 12, so it's going to go in the middle there where they overlap, okay. 2 was a factor of 12, but it's obviously not odd, so it's going to go into the factor of 12 circle only. 3 is in both lists, yeah, so that will go where they overlap. 4 then is a factor of 12, but clearly not odd, so it'll go here. 5 is not a factor of 12, but it is odd, obviously, so just go in the odd circle. 6 is a factor of 12 only. 7 is odd, so it'll go in the odd part there. 8 is not in either list, so you've got to write it outside then, right? But inside the box, but outside the circles. 9 is an odd number, so we write that there, but obviously it's not a factor of 12. And then 10 is not in either list, so it goes outside. For the next part, even numbers, okay, well, the even numbers here will be 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, okay. Multiples of 3 is the 3 times table, so 1 times 3, 2 times 3, 3 times 3, and that's it there, yeah, for our list. So let's start off with 1. Well, 1 is not in either, so it's going to go on the outside. 2, even numbers only. 3 is multiple of 3. Okay, 4 is even numbers. 5 is not in either. 6 is in both, look, 6 is in both, so that will go with the overlap. 7 is not in either. 8 is even numbers only. 9 is just multiples of 3, and then 10, of course, will be even numbers there. Okay, now we're done.